Hiya, welcome back to Direschta. Direschta, place of wonder. How we've been, when I say we, I mean Claudia. Claudia has been busy. She's been busy last week. She's been upgrading our house, cleaning it up, organising it, putting up new shelves and everything. And this lunchtime, getting ready for dinner tonight. Made some pizza though. Here we go. Alright, last time you were here, we made a pizza oven. The two girls, we made the pizza oven, and that pizza dough is going into that pizza oven. Ooh, we're loving it. It's going to be how many times we have pizza now? Is that going to be a fourth?
3 or 4.
Yeah, that'll definitely be our fourth time within 2 weeks, I'm sure. Anyway, pizza's galore. But there is more. But first, welcome back to Direschta, our permaculture homestead in the Swiss mountains of Oberwallis. Yeah.
Some people tell me that I'm crazy, 'cause I do things that don't fit in with the rest of society.
All along the path, underneath the house, all along Rainbow Alley, and all the way to the end of Animal Park, we have now got a fence. But anyway, let's get to the stable, to Boo's Mews and Animal Park, so you can see what it's all about. It's changed a bit since I last saw you, or you were last here. And see, that wall that's cobbed, well, we've tried it out. That's our experiment wall. That's the one that fell with Robert. And we've tried different techniques of cob there with a bit more straw. You can see it holds a bit better, but we need even more straw. There without any straw, and it doesn't hold at all. But, let me show you the design of the rest. So we've been digging out this whole hill. If you can remember, there was a hill all the way down there. We've dug that out.
And my mama always said, if you're not living on the edge, then you're taking up too much space.
Out, we put it in bags, stack the bags. We're near to 1,000 bags now. There's probably about 30, 40 short of 1,000. We've put up a skeleton of a roof and a frame. And now we've got lots of different rooms. The donkeys have got their own, which they're enjoying. Not quite finished yet, obviously. Still some work to do there. And then on this side, well, here is going to be I'm going to leave open so the helicopter can drop any hay or any animal feed that's needed. Then in here, next to the chicken and the rabbits, that's going to be our food storage, obviously all covered and closed. And then we've got the 3 rooms. In the beginning I made a little bit of a mistake. I thought I wouldn't dig as deep, so that, yeah, I don't need to dig as much, but I could have easily dug as deep.
Because the edge is where it's at. I'm gonna work that into face. Cause my mama always said, if you're not living on the edge, then you're taking up too much space.
Doesn't matter though, different floors, I can still stand over there. And then we've got 3 different rooms, which we can close off and use, and that will all be covered as well. And then door here and a lot of work room in here as well, a lot of space. So this will be Booze Muse 2.0. Yeah, still a bit to go, still a roof to put on, but yeah, pretty pleased with that. Looking good, looking good. And working with earth bags, honestly, I don't know why we don't do it all over the world.
Make a pledge to acknowledge the edge. Grow some veg, stack it on the ledge. Wherever things come together, you'll find it getting better. You'll fall so in love with the edge, you're gonna write it a love letter. Just broaden your range to the place of exchange. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Born as every single color sits between white and black. A well-being harmony, always the right track.
Makes so much sense. Yeah, so I've done that with Robert and all the Wwoofers that have been since. But the biggest step we made was with Simil.
I said the edge is where it's at, and there's no more time to waste. Cause my mama always said, if you're not living on the edge, then you're taking up too much space.
Yeah. Simil was a brilliant woofer from France, and if he ever inquires to help on your farm, do yourself a favour and take him. We did so much. Within 10 days we did so much. Just such a big leap. And yeah, let me say thank you, Simil, and all the other woofers that were here, thank you as well for your help. But now I'm going to get back to business and carry on building because I've got some barbed wire here, naked barbed wire that needs covering with bags. So let me get to it, and then yeah, nearly finished with all the bags though.
Sometimes this crazy world gets carried away, but deep down I feel it's gonna all be okay.
It's nearly dinner time and the pizza oven's heating up nicely. Only needs a small fire when it's just the two of us. And yeah.
Can't say where we're going or what's up ahead, but we can wonder about the future or just make it up instead.
So while Claudia's rolling out the pizza dough and getting everything ready, you know how it goes at this point of the video. We say thank you very much for all your attention and watching us and coming back to Direschta, and for liking, for subscribing, for commenting, for even sharing. Tell the world about us. Maybe you know somebody who wants to come and live with us. We're looking. Maybe they're looking too. So if you share it, then they find us. Anyway, thanks for watching. And an important thing for you to remember: you make the world a better place. Thanks for getting up this morning. It was worth it. Right, guys, have a good one. See you soon. Claudia?
Bye-bye.
And by the way, if you ever want to come round for pizza, you're more than welcome. And Direschta.
Fluffity fluff. Fluff, fluffity fluff.